Welcome back. We're on another job site in here in the city off Bigelow here. We got permits pulled for this job and everything. It was a boiler system, froze, caused a lot of damage. That's where the boiler used to be. Hot water tank's going to because it froze and it now has a crack in there. So we're going to be putting a gas furnace and AC in this place with all brand new ductwork. And start over here next to the chimney. Come out, go through the joists, and go up. Show you what the rest of the house looks like. There's the kitchen. All ceiling dropped. We already had the scrapper here. He already took everything out. GC already has the water damage ceilings down. Go up the steps. Looks like they had a roof leak too. Another room. Got a little tiny room. And we got the bathroom. We'll be in the wall in this one. Right there. Alright. Stay tuned for the finished product. Yeah, we might make a video in between, right before it gets inspected. So, stay tuned.